Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's revisit a classic from Raquel Welch. This is Straight Up with a Twist Elite, and the color is Shaded Iced Cafe Latte. Let's get started. Okay, Shaded Iced Cafe Latte, such a beautiful Raquel Welch color on a classic style. This wig was provided to me by Wig Studio One. I will put some ordering information. Everything you need to know will be in the drop down box below this video. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to them at support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget, join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Okay, there are some wigs that will never go out of style, and this, in my opinion, is one of them. I hope they never stop making this wig. Raquel Welch, Straight Up with a Twist. This is the Elite. Lots of movement. You know, that's what I really like about this Elite version with this hand-tied cap. It is just so natural looking. The movement, it's beautiful. It really is. It's a nice length with these face framing layers. And I can't wait to show you this color. Now I'm going to show you this color in some outdoor lighting. I will insert it somewhere up here. And I am filming this only with my ring light. I have overhead lights, of course, and a bank of windows. I'm trying to get back into recording in more natural lighting. I think it's easier for you to get an idea about color without all of the studio lights. So that's how I've been doing the last month or so of my videos, and I hope you're enjoying that. All right, let's talk about this color. This is available in, I believe, over 30 shades. So Shaded Iced Cafe Latte, so pretty. Base of a medium ash brown. You can see that all through. Then it has these medium gold highlights, blonde highlights, medium gold blonde highlights running all through on a medium brown root. These highlights are kind of chunky around the face. You can see that. Make sure you get a good look at that. And look at this lace front. Good coverage here. Now, this fit me a little large, as most Raquel Welch do. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I did use the tabs to pull it in. But wow, what a beautiful, beautiful style. Okay, the specs. The front of this is 7½. So it has this sweeping bang of 7½. The crown on this one is 8½. The sides are 6½. The back is 7.25, and the nape is 2.75. Again, just a nice face framing. This always looks good when it comes down under the chin, just a little bit like this on most face shapes. And again, I just want to make sure you get a good look how pretty this is done around the face. Okay, let's look at the inside of this cap. Okay, so this has an extended lace front, a large mono top, as you see, closed ear tabs with stays. Now, this is hand tied through here, of course, but I want to call this to your attention. This is some wefting. It has an extended felt nape, and you can see how much I pulled it in to fit me. Beautiful cap design. Straight Up with a Twist Elite. You know, these bobs, these modern bobs, just like I said, never go out of style with the face framing layers. It has some razor cutting all around on this one. Of course, this is the Raquel Welch True to Life Heat Friendly Fibers. So you could add some curl to this if you'd like. Just some gentle waves would be really pretty. There's no permatease in this, of course. It's a hand-tied cap. Partially hand-tied cap. As I showed you, it has some wefting in the back of this. Now, this is my Raquel Welch straight up with a twist regular with the wefted. And I just wanted to show it to you so you would have an idea. This is the wefted version. It does have an extended lace front and mono top, but it's open wefted. And really, in my opinion, The Elite version has more movement on the hand-tied cap, but they're both gorgeous. And this color is Shaded Biscuit. Now, you know, you can always spray this with a little water. Today, I'm just going to use a little wig wax on mine just to separate these fibers just a little bit. You've seen me do that on so many wigs. I just like that messy look that this gives. It gives the fibers a little texture. I don't know, I just think it's a nice product. I use it a lot. And you can always pull this off your face with a headband. You can twist. I like to twist the front of my wigs a lot of times. I'll just pick up some pieces just like this and twist it around just to get it off my face if I want. Lots you can do with these fun, beautiful Raquel Welch styles. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me lots of comments below. Tell me, have you tried this Elite version or do you prefer the wefted version? I'm really curious to know your thoughts. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.